Bronze sculpture has ancient origins, with examples dating back thousands of years to civilizations like the ancient Greeks and Egyptians. Bronze is a popular choice for sculptures due to its durability, malleability, and ability to capture fine details. Many bronze sculptures are created using the lost wax casting method, a complex process that involves making a mold from a wax model. Bronze sculptures develop a natural patina over time, which can enhance their appearance and protect the metal from corrosion. Bronze sculptures span a wide range of artistic styles, from classical and realistic to abstract and contemporary. Some of the most famous bronze sculptures include The Thinker by Auguste Rodin and David by Donatello. Bronze sculptures are often used in public art installations, adding cultural and artistic value to outdoor spaces.